Let's talk about why our Sisel Light products are so beneficial to you. Now, our bodies are composed primarily of water, making proper hydration and nutrient delivery essential to overall wellness. The way we nourish and support our bodies can directly influence energy, vitality, performance, and long-term health. One important factor in nutritional supplementation is bioavailability, the degree to which nutrients are absorbed and utilized in the body. While the bioavailability of some nutrients is well established, ongoing research continues to reveal how different compounds are absorbed, transported, and used within the body. Liquid nutritional supplements are often favored for their enhanced bioavailability because the nutrients are already dissolved. The body can begin absorbing them almost immediately without the additional step of breaking down tablets or capsules first. This can support faster absorption and more efficient nutrient utilization, especially for individuals with sensitive or compromised digestion. Our Sisel Light electrolyte blends provide optimal help in liquid form. Sisel Light comes in 3 delicious flavors: Island Breeze, Arctic Berry, and Paradise Punch. Recharge with your favorite flavor of Sisel Light, an electrolyte drink mix that is packed with a fresh, fruity flavor formulated to help improve body hydration using natural salts, fulvic powder, and minerals that help increase energy production and support muscle function recovery.